2012 Lexus ES350 luxury sedan. Dark gray metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with new necks and tires, tinted windows, dual chrome tip exhaust, light tan leather interior, wood grain trim throughout, Lexus carpeted floor mats, power window locks and mirrors with memory driver seat, driver seat adjustments, heated and cooled front seats, upgraded large touchscreen Jensen radio with backup camera, ice cold AC, power retractable shade in the back, auto headlights, hands-free Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, just under 107,000 miles. It's even got a sunroof. Come on, see us.